Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon. My name is Sam Bellamio. I'm here with Stand Up America. Trust me, I'm not here on a light matter. I am talking about the ordinance, the levy, and the property tax, and the concern we have that we do not have an open government to address you. You have it on here for us to speak to you once, but we want to have a meeting. This ties into the bigger idea of how an open government works, how you are supposed to represent us by hearing from us. We would like to have a once-a-month meeting with you, an open public meeting like this, so that each person may address you openly about any item that they would like, and not be stricken or held to an agenda.
But Sam, our current criteria for allowing people to speak, and we do it out of respect for the broader public, is that you speak on the matter.
I'm speaking to it right now.
You're ready to speak on the tax.
This is my opinion about this.
The tax matter?
The tax matter, right.
All right, proceed.
And so what I'm speaking to is about how this item is on the agenda this one time, and maybe we'll see it another time, but not available to us to come speak with you. If we had this idea 10 years ago, we wouldn't be allowed to come speak to you openly until you had it today on the agenda. These people are here on bus 42. It's a big issue for them. And this is an example of what I'm talking about. They would like to speak with you about an issue, and yet they have to be bound to an agenda and wait for today to speak with you. This matter is very important. So I feel that you should have the agenda open to anybody about any subject once a month for 5 minutes for each person present. And also to have Dow Constantine present, because we don't know his schedule. We can never speak to him. How can we have a checks and balance to our legislative, to our government? The legislative and the executive branch are checking each other. We would like to have that open. So to get back to the tax levy, I'd like to have a once-a-month meeting where it's open to everyone, so we may speak to items on the agenda. It's our constitutional freedom of speech. I don't want to be directed by this anymore. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Alex.
Hi, my name is Alex Zimmerman. I am represent Stand Up America. Guys, every time what we come to budget, I think, where does money come from? From Moon? From CEO like this? How much he made last year? I asked him. He told me he not remember. So situation right now very simple, guys. Your salary $135,000. Is it exactly part of budget? Or each point of budget? Don Constantine's salary $200,000. $50,000 more than governor. Governor operates with 6 million people. Don Constantine operates with almost 2 million. 30% from his staff make more than $100,000. Ask proposition for a long time, very simple. Cut everything. It's not supposed to be. What is government? Elected officials and people who work for government make a ton of money, comparable to ordinary American, who a percentage make only approximately $30,000 minus. It's absurd by definition. Who are you, aristocrat, like this CEO, or another CEO? It's not time for you, aristocrat. I see Don Constantine on TV, same like I see English prince. So sorry for my analogy, he English prince too? Why we cannot seek him for 2 years? Why we cannot talk to him about this? So we demand every month, one day open door to everybody. It's constitutional right, it's as freedom of speech. We have a tyranny right now, dangerous tyranny, with corruption 200%. It is absurd by definition. This United States of America, we talk about this with you for a long time. It's not working. You ignore everything. When you start acting like a normal civilized people under U.S. Constitution. I give you Constitution before a couple times. So not enough, we give you every day what is possible. Change something. This time for changes. We are human. It's a 300 million people around. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.